Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Kenra Professional is probably one of the most sought-after hair care brands on the market, known for its innovative formulas and salon-quality results that cater to a wide range of hair types and concerns, from vibrant color protection to intense hydration and frizz control, making it a go-to for those seeking professional-grade treatments they can use at home. Number 5. Platinum Blow-Dry Spray. Introducing the Platinum Blow-Dry Spray, your ultimate solution for a faster, more beautiful blowout. This innovative spray is designed to cut down your styling time significantly. Protect your hair from heat damage while saving precious time. It acts as a powerful heat protectant, ensuring your hair stays healthy even with frequent styling. Experience effortless styling as it detangles knots, leaving your hair incredibly smooth and soft to the touch. Say goodbye to frustrating tangles and hello to silky strands. Tame frizz and combat humidity with ease. This spray helps eliminate frizz and provides a shield against moisture, keeping your hair sleek and polished all day long. Specially formulated for medium to coarse hair types. It provides the perfect balance of conditioning and control for these hair textures, enhancing their natural beauty. What we like. This spray is a game changer for busy mornings. It dramatically cuts down drying time while tackling frizz and humidity. If you have medium to coarse hair and are always on the go, this is your secret weapon for a smooth, polished finish. What people say. Cuts blow-dry time in half. Works as a fantastic detangler. Leaves hair smooth and soft. Number 4. Kenra Volume Mousse Extra 17. Introducing Kenra Volume Mousse Extra 17, your solution for incredible volume and hold. This firm hold mousse is designed to elevate your hairstyle. Experience a lightweight formula that won't dry out your hair or leave behind flakes. It provides a comfortable, flexible hold throughout the day. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to beautifully conditioned hair. This mousse not only styles but also nourishes your strands. Protect your hair from heat styling damage. It offers thermal protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your hair healthy. Perfect for all hair types, this mousse delivers consistent results. Achieve salon-worthy volume and style with ease. Get the perfect amount of product with our convenient 8-ounce size. It's ideal for everyday use and travel. What we like. Achieve lasting style without the stiffness or flakes. This mousse offers a strong hold that also conditions and protects from heat. If you need reliable volume and control that lasts all day, and want to shield your hair from heat styling, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This product is amazing for my hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I love how this product tames my frizz. It makes my hair smooth and manageable. The scent of this product is wonderful. It's not overpowering, but it leaves a pleasant fragrance in my hair. Number 3. Lang Hair Heat Protection Spray. Introducing our revolutionary heat protection spray, designed to shield your hair from damaging heat. Keep your locks safe and healthy, no matter the styling temperature. Tired of battling frizz? This anti-frizz blow-dry mist smooths your strands for a sleek, polished look. Enjoy effortless styling and a beautiful finish every time. Achieve a long-lasting hold and radiant shine with our advanced formula. Your hair will look stunning and feel soft throughout the day. Don't let humidity ruin your hairstyle. This powerful protectant creates a barrier against moisture, keeping your hair smooth and frizz-free even in damp conditions. Our lightweight blowout primer is the perfect first step for any heat styling. It preps your hair for a flawless blow-dry, ensuring a smooth and manageable result. This essential hair care product comes in a convenient 5 fluid ounces bottle. It's the perfect size for your styling routine at home or on the go. What we like. Get a flawless blowout with incredible shine and hold. This mist acts as a primer, protecting your hair while ensuring your style stays put, even in humid conditions. If you're looking for a lightweight product that preps your hair for styling and fights frizz, this is an excellent option. What people say. This has made my hair the softest it's ever been and the silkiest. It smells amazing and my ends felt so healthy and shiny. This was so easy to use and it shaved so much time off of my hair routine. My hair comes out unbelievably smooth, shiny, and frizz-free, like an actual salon blowout. It gives that glass hair finish without feeling greasy or heavy. The formula protects my hair from heat, speeds up drying time, and leaves everything looking sleek and polished. It has a lovely light smell. And it really does make your hair look straight and shiny. Number 2. Keranique Volumizing Hair Mousse. Tired of fine, limp hair? Discover the secret to instantly thicker, fuller locks. This mousse is designed to give your hair the volume it deserves. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to beautifully styled hair. It smooths flyaways and enhances your natural texture, whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly. Experience incredible volume without the weight. This lightweight formula provides a long-lasting hold, keeping your style in place all day. Enjoy a clean feel with our non-sticky, non-greasy mousse. It absorbs quickly, leaving your hair soft and manageable, never stiff or oily. Perfect for women with fine, straight, wavy, or curly hair. It's the versatile solution for achieving your desired look and volume. Transform your hair with this powerful volumizing mousse. It's time to unlock your hair's full potential and enjoy a salon-worthy finish every day. What we like. This foam is designed to give fine hair a significant boost in volume and thickness. It provides a strong, long-lasting hold without leaving your hair feeling sticky or greasy. If you have fine, straight, wavy, or curly hair and desire amplified volume and style, this is the mousse for you. What people say. This mousse makes my hair look fuller and gives it more lift. This product helps make my thin, fine hair appear much thicker. You won't believe how soft this product makes your hair. It also makes your hair more manageable when styling. Number 1. Keranique Lift and Repair Treatment Spray. Tired of flat, lifeless hair? Get instant volume and body with this revolutionary treatment spray. It's designed to give your hair the lift it needs. Say goodbye to annoying split ends. This powerful formula works to repair and smooth them, leaving your hair looking healthier and more polished. Infused with our special keratin amino complex, it nourishes your hair from root to tip. Experience the benefits of advanced keratin technology. Protect your hair from damaging heat styling. This spray acts as a shield against hot tools, helping to prevent breakage and dryness. Our formula is free from sulfates, dyes, and parabens, making it gentle for all hair types. Plus, it's completely unscented for a pure experience. Achieve the fuller, thicker-looking hair you've always desired. This spray is your secret weapon for a more voluminous and vibrant mane. What we like. Revitalize your hair with this treatment spray that adds instant body and repairs damage. Infused with keratin, it also offers heat protection and helps mend split ends. If you're seeking to add volume, improve hair health, and protect against heat styling, this spray is a fantastic all-in-one solution. What people say. This treatment spray does what it says it should do. It gives hair lift and body keeps hair soft. This hair product thickens fine lump hair up. I have noticeably less hair in my brush on my pillow and my shoulders. It's also fuller even though I didn't style it at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.